Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to upload audio files to ChatGPT, what's supported. Let's dive right in by addressing a common question many users have. How can you upload audio files to ChatGPT effectively? You might have found yourself wanting to analyze a podcast, transcribe interviews, or even translate conversations using ChatGPT. The ability to upload audio files and get accurate, meaningful responses can be a game changer for personal projects and professional tasks alike. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to upload your audio files to ChatGPT, ensuring you know exactly what's supported and how to make the most of this powerful tool. Alright, let's get started with a fresh approach. First, open up your favorite web browser. Once you're there, head over to Google. This may seem like a roundabout way, but it's a quick and reliable method to ensure you land on the correct website. In the search bar, type in ChatGPT and hit the Enter key. From the search results, click on the official ChatGPT website link. You'll recognize it by its familiar chat interface. If you're already logged in, great, you can proceed without any interruptions. If not, take a moment to sign in as you normally would to access the chat functionalities. Now that you have the chat interface loaded up, pay attention to the message box at the bottom of the screen. You'll notice a small plus icon next to the area where you typically type your messages. Click on this plus icon. What it does is open up a menu, allowing you to bring various types of content into your conversation. From this menu, select the option that says Add Photos and Files. This action signals to ChatGPT that you intend to attach something from your device, rather than just sending a text message. Once you click Add Photos and Files, a file picker will pop up. This handy tool lets you browse through your computer or phone storage. Here you will choose the audio file you want to upload. Common audio formats such as MP3, WAV, and M4A are supported and work very well. If you have several versions of a file, it's wise to pick the one with the clearest sound quality. Clean audio is crucial, as it results in more accurate transcripts and summaries. Before uploading, consider renaming your file if its current name is a random jumble of characters. Give it a meaningful name, like interview_January.mp3. This makes it easier to identify and reference in your prompt later on. Depending on your internet connection, large files may take a bit of time to upload, so be patient and allow the upload progress to finish completely. Once your file appears in the chat composer, you have the option to type a prompt. This step is optional, but it can significantly enhance the quality of the response you receive. Be clear and specific about what you want ChatGPT to do with the audio. For instance, you might type, "Please transcribe this audio verbatim and add timestamps every minute," or "Summarize the key points and list action items." If your audio includes multiple speakers, you can instruct ChatGPT to label speakers if possible, or request a bulleted outline of themes. The more clarity you provide, the better ChatGPT can focus on delivering what you need. After crafting your prompt, go ahead and send the message. Keep in mind that processing time will vary depending on the length and quality of the audio file. It may take a little while, so just sit back and let ChatGPT do its magic. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your audio file to ChatGPT and prompted it to deliver a tailored response. It's a straightforward process that, once mastered, can greatly enhance your interaction with audio content. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to upload audio files to ChatGPT, what's supported, quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.